Are you a professional installer? If you want to reduce installation times and ensure you have the best tools available, watch this video. Fila, the industry leader in surface care, has got you covered. That's why it's created a set of innovative products designed to facilitate the cleaning process and preserve the aesthetics of surfaces. Let's discover them together. Wouldn't it be better to quickly move on to the next job instead of wasting hours and money scrubbing to remove cementitious grout residue? Discover Instant Remover. Do you avoid projects with epoxy and premixed grout because cleaning joints and surfaces is a nightmare? Today, the solution exists, and it's called Hybrid and Epoxy Pro. Do you think soap and water are enough to get perfectly smooth silicone joints? Wrong. Discover Silicone Refiner. With Fila products, you'll be at the top of your game, speed up the installation process, and provide the best results for your clients.